Good evening, ma'am. This is my project in OOP2. First is we create a database that's suited on our NetBeans code in Java. First is open SAMP application. And it's already running, and we click admin in my SQL column, and in this database section I already created my name of my database name is Comelec, and my my table is registdb, and my column is first name, last name, age, and email registration. Varchar 50, the length is 50, varchar 50, and age we select int because age is integer and registration number is integer. Second is creating a Java code. I already did to create because it's consuming time if we did step by step. First is open next step is you create new project. My name of the project is Comelec registration form, Java with and Java application. Next, and this is the package name, and you already set it into your main class. Third step is connecting database. Right click, new connection, and this is you select MySQL connector J driver, and the MySQL connector, the connector is you need to put the connector in desktop, because if you don't put in desktop it cannot work. Okay, next is customize connection. Your database name, for example my database name is Comelec, and the username is root, and the password is default, no password. Test connection, so connection, and finish it. It's already connected. If connected, you find your local host here, Comelec, like this. Right click, and you can rename it like Comelec. Okay, you refresh, make sure that you can run successfully, and in this section is you type import Java, javax.swing, this is, and this you don't need to import this too because it's automatically writing that in this section. If you in this section in try and catch, first is if you new Comelec registration form, you write this and this J-frame, you create J-frame. This is the example of my J-frame. This you can set title and next is JText field. This is JText field and a label the JText field. First name, make sure that the J label is same name in your column in database. First name, last name, age, email, registration number. First name, last name, age, email, registration number. If you're done typing this, for example this first name, this is section, the J label. You done this, next is J button. The J button submit is this is the submit button. Then you add action listener like this, then string, first name, this is your variable, first name 2 and first name field. Next is string query, insert into Regis DB. Make sure that this is your database table, same name in your database table. Next is your column. Make sure that you copy this all in your database. Value question mark, because this is question mark is what you insert into the column. Next is class for name. Class for name. Then if you wonder what is this is the driver class. We find the driver class in your database localhost properties. Then this is your driver class. Okay, I only copy that. And next is connection con. Then I copy this localhost URL into my localhost. Make sure that you copy this. Next, if you done typing this, there's a like error something that you can click there, like try and catch. You make try and catch, then if you done with the try and catch, add close and prepared statement like this query. And if you get message, if you are successfully submitted like this, type this and the first name. The reason that we type here in this is to delete what you type in, what you insert in the frame. This is the generated. If you add close, this it double the code. If you add close, then you make sure that your frame is set visible to see your frame like this. Okay, next is the final is find your project and find your class name or project name. My class name is Comelec registration. At if you find your main class name is Comelec registration form, find libraries like this. We add the connector. This is the demo of how to connect. Right click and add jar like this. This is your connector. Okay, if you're done with this, you can run. Michael Salvador. Age 21. Submit. Then if it appears in, if you done submit, successfully registered to Comelec, then let's find in database your insert. The final, this is the output. Michael Salvador 21. This is my project, ma'am. Thank you.